Hello, Chris Menard here. Microsoft Excel has a great new feature that is rolled out. It is called Focus Cell. I love this feature. It came out in October 2024 to beta users. It'll soon be on Excel for the web and available for Mac users. So here you go. By default, it is turned off. It is located on the View tab inside of the Show group. I will turn on Focus Cell. It highlighted column G and it selected row 4, and you can see that I'm on cell G4 for Yellow Pages. If I go click somewhere else, there is Focus Cell working in cell C9. Great feature. Start tapping the down arrow key and it is still working. And if I start tapping the right arrow key, it continues to work. So the arrow keys work also. To turn off Focus Cell, you just click it again. By default, it is off, so just turning it on and off is simple. You can also change the color of Focus Cell. Hit the drop down. I'm going to make it green. Now it is green. Changing the color turned it on automatically. That is fine with me. Another great feature, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to select column G, or I could highlight just the data in column G. If I hit this drop down, notice that Show Auto Highlight is already turned on. So here's how this works. Find is Control F. Type in magazine, press enter, it finds it, and it's turned on Focus Cell automatically because I'm using find right there. You're going to turn that feature off, you turn off Show Auto Highlight. One item I have noticed is that if I turn on Focus Cell, it is working. If I go to the Data tab and turn on some filters, it will continue to work. Let me just pick magazine, TV, and Yellow Pages. So if I hit the down arrow key and the left arrow key, it is still working with filters. I'm going to turn off the filters. What it will not work with is if you freeze panes. I'm going to click row 2, view, freeze panes, freeze panes. That disables Focus Cell. So if you're trying to play with this and you have beta right now, and you're saying it's not working, Chris, we'll make sure the freeze panes is not running. We turn off the freeze panes, unfreeze. So now we're running again. Another cool feature that I wanted to test is, will this work in tables? Let me turn it off first. This is a range. I'll change this to a table, Control T, hit OK. I'm going to leave the shading the way it is. Let's go and turn on Focus Cells and see what happens here. Still works. That is a great feature. Still good. And finally, if you like this Focus Cells, and I can tell you right now, I love it, I'm going to right-click on it and add it to the Quick Access toolbar up here. So now it is just simply one click. You can even add the different colors right here also if you wanted to. Let me know in the comments down below if you are excited about getting this feature. I appreciate your time. My online training classes are listed down below. Have a wonderful day.